I'm Elliott from Sorbus Tree Services, and today we're doing some chainsaw milling. Today we're going to be using the 500i that we got from Fraser Robb, our local dealer. Found this is a great product to use with the portable chainsaw mill. We've got many other good products. We use STIHL climbing saws as well. Easy to get parts for with Fraser Robb being a local dealer. Good reliable equipment as well. STIHL barn chains that we get from Fraser Robb are absolutely perfect for the job that we need today. So when I got into this business around 12 years ago, being local to Fraser Robb, it was really important that I got a good relationship with them. The service is outstanding, and if there's ever a problem, we can turn up on the day and get sorted out. So one of the best parts of Fraser Robb is it's a real family-run business. When me and my colleagues go in, we're treated just like we're part of that family. If we need anything out of ours as well, usually Fraser Robb's can help. Always had a great service from Fraser Robb.